Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Do you remember last week I went to Jovan's for buying the mold maker? So I thought of making a tutorial on how to make molds from mold maker. It's quite easy and you can make any mold you want. The instructions printed inside the box, so we need to open the box and see. Let's see that. This is the block and we need to use baby powder or cornstarch for releasing, and I am using that mousse kind of thing for making the mold. I'm taking a small portion from the block of mold maker and conditioning it really well. It is really soft, though we have to make it into a sculptable form. It should be very soft and smooth and pliable. Can you feel how soft it is now? Place it on a flat surface and roll with the roller. It should be little thick enough. Now I am going to dust the mold maker as well as the object with baby powder. After dusting with corn flour or baby powder, you can press the object into mold maker. You should press it really well, otherwise that all the details will not be perfect. Push from 4 sides. Downside is flat, so I can remove that object from the mold maker. Be gentle and keep it in a preheated oven for baking 20 minutes at 275 Fahrenheit. Do not overbake. This is the mold we made. I also made another mold, bit bigger one, thicker. This one is shallow. This is what I show in the tutorial. So let's try. I'm taking little clay. It's always better to push little by little in this cavity. I will do how to use molds for making jewelry. Let's see how it is working. It's flexible enough, see. our mold is working, I will make a proper video tutorial for using the molds. I'll show you some jewelry I made with the molds. See this statement necklace I made using a mold. This is what the mold. Actually this is a stud mold. 4 left and right ears. I use both of this mold to make this bead. See, both sides are same. You can do that. And this is the stud. I made using this one. I'll make a proper tutorial for molds.